beautiful people. What an absolute privilege to be part of the Finance Indaba 2022. Like Chris said, my name is Varsha Ramasamy, and I've been with iOCO for 6 years. At iOCO, we're passionate about solving with our clients and staff to bridge the gap between technology and people. We work across all verticals, from startups to well-established leading South African brands. The insight this has given us is that there is a growing focus on two key areas in the office of the CFO. The first area of focus being on how to define and measure what does it mean to be a tech-savvy CFO. And secondly, how to improve employee wellness and reduce burnout, an issue very close to my heart. To address these two key areas, the best solutions need to reduce manual intervention, bring efficiencies to financial processes, example, the time taken to close month ends, minimize data errors, automate reconciliations, create actionable insights for business without manually trawling through massive amounts of documents, and perhaps most importantly, empower staff with a secure environment where performance is not restricted to what Excel provides. Phew, that sounds like a SpaceX level endeavor. But really, these kinds of solutions sound unreal, but they have already been implemented and are not as complicated as getting to Mars. So what makes our solutions and approach different? Well, we place a data lens on the solution, which means we start by designing and addressing the issues up front, which the finance teams usually find themselves up against. Also, we have a team that gets really excited. And I mean really excited, Top Gun level excited, when they get to make a tangible difference to an organization. We also know that you know your data really well. You know the challenges in that data and the financial processes. And most key, you know the potential value of that data, if only you had the time to analyze it with something other than Excel. Look, I love Excel, I grew up on it, but sooner or later, we all need to adult. So there are two core solutions I want to share with you today that will change how you do finance. They bring automation and, most importantly, free up your team to focus on the important work. That is the insights that can change business. These two solutions address the core focus areas of the office of the CFO. Our first solution is the General Ledger Accelerator. This is a game-changing application that enables you to find the hidden insights in your general ledger data, enabling you to make better business-critical decisions. So how does this solution work? It looks at your account transactions and balances at the lowest granular level. It then provides you with a high-level summary of the data, together with the ability to easily drill down into the underlying data. Any account or group of accounts can be tracked against a budget. As the year progresses, the app automatically provisions for revising initial budgets into updated forecasts. Simply, it makes your life a lot easier going forward. But wait, there's more. The second solution is our financial performance management one. It's one of our core areas of expertise. More than half of all organizations and enterprises are still using spreadsheets for some form of FPM. Yet the same organizations report challenges with spreadsheets, like version control issues, inaccurate data, lack of security, broken links, formula errors, to name but a few. With spreadsheets, the finance team is generally spending most of their time collating the information, with very little time left to analyze the data and uncover those key insights vital to decision-making and influencing the course of an organization. So we are in the business of changing that. We use our deep consulting expertise and industry-leading software tools to deliver solutions that completely revolutionize financial reporting and budgeting processes and avoid those pitfalls and limitations of spreadsheets. So how do you know if this type of solution is something for you? We can start by checking if any of these ring true for you. Do you need or have challenges with managing multiple entities, dealing with business structural changes, managing multi-currency entities, cost allocations, reallocations, automation of financial statements, consolidated financial reporting, and maybe even industry-specific reporting? If we shift to the budgeting component, at iOCO, we help our clients to move beyond a pure accounting-based approach and enable them to budget according to the key drivers in their business. So what does this mean? Organizations sometimes wonder whether drawing up a budget is worth their time and effort, when they know, and it's often true, that the budget will be outdated by the time it's finalized. So one reason for this reluctance is that the budget holders are often area specialists and not accountants, like me. So they find themselves operating out of their field of expertise, which means it ends up being a consuming and energy-sapping task. We help our clients to change that budgeting process from a finance-centric one to an approach which involves the entire operational staff and which mirrors the way the business is run. Our leading edge technology, combined with our experience, empowers our clients to draw functional, intelligent budgets. This technology provides a modeling framework which allows us to design completely customized models that replicate the way your business works and replicates your budget calculations. Now here's the good part, and even Chris can use this solution because there's still Excel. So you're still using Excel spreadsheets, but even though your users continue to work in the spreadsheets, all of that data is exposed and held in a central server, which means it's secure and it represents all of the business logic and information centrally for all reports and templates. To deliver both of these solutions, we use our teams of highly skilled consultants to design and implement solutions using our leading edge technologies. So if you're ready to start tomorrow today, come check out our iOCO booth right now. We're looking forward to solving with you. Phew, that's an earful and a minute to spare. Over to you, Chris.